It might not be something you need to worry about, but in the tech world, they are raising concerns over privacy, especially around video surveillance and artificial intelligence. An ad for Amazon's Ring doorbell made waves online after its new search party feature, which uses AI to help find lost dogs. Some say it's a great way to track lost pets, but others warn it sounds like more unwanted surveillance because it taps into your Ring doorbell footage. The company's founder says that the company prioritizes privacy of customers and the application's use is limited, but experts say concerns over what comes next should not be dismissed.
Right now, the search party feature is literally just built for dogs. So it's built to look for dogs, to tell you if the dog is in front of your house, and then you have the decision to, contact the owner or not.
These technologies are getting so advanced and so sophisticated, we can't just ignore the implications and the risk.
These same things that are treated as privacy risks for some people are actually kind of a feature